Hello everyone, we are going to start with MLA style referencing, which is in the syllabus of MA English third semester in the Punjab University. This is unit number 5 of research methods. Note down the full form of MLA. The full form of MLA is Modern Language Association. There are 9 core elements in MLA. First core element is author. After author there is period. This dot placed after author is called period. If in the question you are having one author, then the format will be last name, comma, first name, and then period. For example, in the question you are given William Shakespeare, the playwright. You will reverse his name. The answer will be Shakespeare, comma, William, and then period. Same is the case with an essayist, an author, a writer, a poet, having 3 words in his name. For example, P.B. Shelley. His full name Percy Bysshe Shelley. The answer will be Shelley, his last name, comma, P.B. period. With his full name, the answer will be Shelley, comma, Percy Bysshe, and then period. Shelley is his last name, Percy his first name, Bysshe his middle name. If in the question you are given 2 authors, then the format will be last name, comma, first name of the first author, comma, and then first name, comma, last name of the second author. After that, period. For example, in the question you are given Charles Dickens and Jane Austen. The answer will be Dickens, comma, Charles, comma, and Jane Austen. Dickens, comma, Charles, the first name is reversed. The second name is in normal order. If in the question you are given 3 or more than 3 authors, then the format will be last name, comma, first name, comma, ETAL, period. What is ETAL? The full form of ETAL is Italia. The meaning of Italia is and others. For example, you are given Virginia Woolf in first place. At second place, there is Charles Dickens. At third place, there is Jane Austen. At fourth place, there is P.B. Shelley. You have to just look at the first author. You have nothing to do with second author. You have nothing to do with third author. You have nothing to do with fourth author. You have nothing to do with fifth, sixth, whatever the sequence is. You have to just look at the first author. Our first author is Virginia Woolf. So, we have reversed her name. Woolf, comma, Virginia, comma, ETAL, period. Second is title of source. After title of source, there is period. What is title of source? Title of source can be an essay. It can be a story. It can be a poem or any kind of work. As a part of a larger whole, it can be in a collection. If the title of source is a short title, it is within 3 or 4 words, then it will be in double inverted marks. If the title is long, it is more than 4 or 5 words, then it will be placed in italics. See, it is in tilted form. Third is title of container. After title of container, there is comma. What is title of container? The collection itself. It can be a book, which is a collection of essays, stories, poems, or any kind of work. For example, this is a book. This book is title of container. This book is having essays, stories, poems, articles, units, or chapters. These chapters are, these articles, these essays, these stories are title of source. The book itself, in which these things are contained. These things are contained in a collection. This collection is called title of container. The things written within this collection are title of source. I hope it is clear. So the title of container is in italics according to the 8th edition. According to the 9th edition, it is in normal order. Fourth is other contributors. Contributors are the people who contributed in a particular work. A person who adapted the piece of work. A person who directed a movie. A person who edited an article. A person who gave an illustration. A person who introduced a topic. A person who narrated a poem. A person who performed a role in a movie. A person who translated a piece of work. See, the T of translated by is capital. All other contributors start with small letters. But the T of translated by is capital. And these contributors are written in normal order. They are not reversed. For example, adapted by J.R. Ackery, directed by Israel Abrams, edited by Peter Akyard, illustrated by John Aiken, introduction by William Harrison Ainsworth, narrated by Barrett Allen, performance by Rebecca Penner, translated by John Moore, Leicester. Fifth is version. After version, there is comma. What is version? Version is the addition. So the examples are unabridged version, after version, comma. Version 1.3.1, comma. 9th edition. 9 and th at talk, ed dot and then comma. Edition in short form, version in full form. For example, 9th edition, 9th, ed dot comma. 17th, ed dot comma. 3rd edition, 3 rd ed dot comma. And 8th version is in its full form and edition is in its short form, ed dot. 6th is number, the most easiest thing. Number can be a volume number or issue number. It can be both volume number and issue number. So if in the question you're given just volume number or just issue number, or you are given both, you have to answer accordingly. For example, in the question I am given just volume number. Volume number is 2. I have written VOL in small letters, VOL dot 2, comma. Then is number, NO dot 13. N is also small, O is also small. If I am given both volume also and issue number also, then the format is VOL dot 16, comma, NO dot 2 and then comma. See the format. 7th is publisher. For example, Oxford University Press. And question you are given Oxford University Press. Whatever university is given to you, for either it is Oxford, Cambridge or whatever university it is, you have to just write University Press in UP. UP stands for University Press. You have to give the acronym for it. Oxford University Press. Oxford UP, comma. If it is Penguin Press, you have to write as it is. After Penguin Press, there is comma. If it is 20th Century Fox, there is comma. 8th is publication date. After publication date, there is comma. What can be publication date? It can be a date, month, year, season or time. Now, the date is 28th December. You are given TECEMBER. You have to write the months in this format. Jan dot comma, FEB dot comma, MAR dot comma, APR dot comma, May in its full form, MAY comma, JUNE comma, JULY comma, AUG dot comma, SEBT dot comma, OCT dot comma, NOB dot comma, DEC dot comma. See, the first letters are capital. Other letters are small. So, in publication date, it can be date 28 December 2014. It can be season autumn 1994, comma. It can be year 1999, comma. It can be date as well as time. Date is given 25 April 2013 and then time is given 10:30 p.m. and then comma. A particular time period is given 1996 to 2014. They have written the question 1996 to 2014. You have to place hyphen instead of 2. The answer will be 1996 hyphen 2014, comma. Then Jan 1992. 9th and the very last element is a location. Location can be page number, it can be a place, it can be a link, it can be the date on which the thing was accessed, it can be the thing that the article was viewed on, the date on which that article was viewed on. Now, if in the question you are given just single page number 193, the answer will be P dot 193 dot. Why dot? Because after location there is period. P dot 193 period. This P is small. If you are given a group of pages that from 92 to 97, the answer will be double P dot 92 hyphen 97 period. This is hyphen. So, these P's are also small P's. And next is place itself, Museum of Modern Art, comma, New York period, London period, Bloomsbury period, the date on which the article was accessed 23 July 2013. It was viewed on 19 December 1993. The link itself, and see if in the question you are given full form 19 December. 2000, 19 December 1993. This thing is given to you. That the article was viewed on 19 December. December is in full form. So you have to write December in full form. If this December is in its short form, for example, in the question you are given 19 December DEC dot 1993. Then you will write 19 DEC dot 1993 period. You have to see whether the month is in its short form or in its full form. In location, this is for just location. For publication date, you have to write the short form. For location, whatever is given in the question, you have to follow that. Next is the most important thing. If author is not given to you, for example, the author is not given to you, then you will add these other contributors instead of author. Instead of author, they will be in the first element. These contributors will be added in the first element instead of the author. But the format will be same. For example, these are the examples. The name of the editor is John Simpson. But we have reversed the order. Why? Because in we have to follow the same format. Simpson, John, editor, period. Then are the translators, because contributors can be any of these or any one except these also. So the translators are Ben Taylor and Michael Prophet. These are the two translators given to us. So the format will be Taylor, Ben. Taylor, Ben. The first translator's name is reversed. Taylor, Ben, and Michael Prophet, translators, and then period. If we are having 3 directors, 3 authors, 3 translators, 3 whatever the three contributors are. For example, we are having 3 directors, Bell Walsh, Ben Taylor, Michael Prophet, or John Simpson, whatever the directors, whatever the translators, whatever the editors are. We have to just look at the first director or first contributor. We have to look at the first author. Then the answer will be Walsh, Bell, because Bill Walsh was the first contributor or the first author. ETAL dot, directors, and then period. I hope everything is clear. This was all about MLA. All the best. Good luck for your exams.